How I make a stuffed bubble balloon. I feel like there's got to be a better title for this, but anyway. Hi, I'm Ronnie the Balloon Girl, and welcome to Bad Voiceovers because I don't know how to do good ones. So I had to make 11 centerpieces that had stuffed balloons on them. So we're going to start, I am going to start by taking my Premier micro air inflator and inflating my 24-inch bubble balloon to about, I don't know, yay big. This is just going great already. I'm taking my 5-inch balloon, and this first one, just to get it started, I just kind of stick her in there. There's going to be a lot of that's what she said. That's going to happen too. Anyway, I'm taking my 5-inch metallic in Fashion Royal Blue, and I believe I have cow print also for this one. And I like to use the Qualitex green pump. I think it's the best hand pump out there. Now, in order to do these, you can use a machine like the Legenda, but this just seems to be the easiest way to do these. I know it's not going to really look that easy, but again, this is going great. Okay, so you get that first balloon in there, and it's going to act as a stopper while you fold over the nozzle of your bubble balloon, and this is going to make it easier to get the other 9 balloons into that bubble. This usually does not take this long. What is happening there? Okay, there we go. So now you're going to that's a chopstick, reusable chopstick, Butterfingers. I use a reusable chopstick as my balloon stuffing high-tech fancy tool. In order to get those 5-inchers in there, just seems to be the easiest way to slip the latex balloon into the bubble balloon. And you can see there, I am cutting the tip off of the 5-inchers. I just think that it looks better when it's sitting inside of the bubble. It just gives it a cleaner look. You don't have to do that. And I used to not because I was afraid I was going to pop the balloon or, pop the bubble. And on my green pump, I do 4 pumps, and that seems to be a good size for the 5-inchers inside of the bubble. Okay, so here we are up close. So 5-incher on the chopstick, pull it over to the side, and I'm trying to grab the bubble and the 5-incher at the same time, simultaneously, so as to not let any air out of that bubble. Slide the 5-inch nozzle over the green pump. Clearly, very easily done. Okay, make sure that there's a seal on it, but that you're not keeping the air from going into the 5-incher. And then 4 pumps. The way that I count is I count for every time I move the pump. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Some people just count up, down as 1. I don't do that because sometimes I'll put 3 pumps or 5 pumps. So when you're grabbing that, make sure to grab the nozzle way away from the bubble, and that way you have less of a chance of cutting it, because there's nothing more frustrating than getting almost all the way done and then popping your bubble. And I believe I put 10 of these in there. That sounds right, 5 of each color. If I was doing 3 colors, I would put 15, 3 of each color. I wouldn't put more than 20 in. That just seems to be, just gives it a good look if it's 20. Oh, and you can see I lost air there. So one thing about me, I don't actually know what size the 24-inchers blow up to. You would think it's 24 inchers, but it's not. Anyway, this is what the final product looks like. I hope this helped.